1. Revolutionize your business insights. Are you tired of spending hours analyzing data and trying to extract valuable insights for your business? Look no further. Cody, the AI trained on your business, is here to revolutionize the way you gain insights, make informed decisions. Unleash the power of data. Cody utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze and interpret vast amounts of data in real time. From sales figures to customer behavior, Cody crunches the numbers, providing you with invaluable insights that would otherwise take days or even weeks to uncover. Actionable recommendations. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to actionable recommendations. Cody not only crunches the numbers, but also provides you with clear and specific recommendations tailored to your business. From identifying untapped market opportunities to optimizing your supply chain, Cody is your go-to advisor, providing real-time suggestions to help you stay ahead of the competition. Stay ahead of the curve. In today's fast-paced business environment, staying ahead of the curve is more important than ever. Cody doesn't just analyze historical data. It also predicts future trends and market shifts, empowering you to make proactive decisions and seize opportunities before your competitors even notice them. Say goodbye to reactive decision-making and start embracing a proactive approach with Cody by your side. 2. Boost efficiency and productivity. Imagine having a virtual assistant who can handle repetitive tasks, streamline your operations, and free up your time to focus on what really matters, growing your business. That's exactly what Cody, the AI trained on your business, can do for you. Automate mundane tasks. Cody is a master at automating mundane and repetitive tasks that eat up your valuable time. From data entry and inventory management to report generation and email communication, Cody can do it all, faster and with higher accuracy, allowing you to minimize errors and maximize efficiency. Enhance customer experience. Cody goes beyond streamline internal processes by optimizing the customer experience. By leveraging customer data and preferences, Cody can personalize recommendations, promotions, and communication to deliver a tailored experience that keeps your customers engaged and coming back for more. 24/7 availability. Cody doesn't take breaks or vacations. It's always there for you, 24/7. Whether you need answers to your burning questions, support during peak demand periods, or assistance with urgent tasks, Cody is just a click or command away. With Cody by your side, you can ensure uninterrupted productivity and minimize downtime. Number 3. Trustworthy and secure partner. When it comes to AI, trust and security are paramount. Rest assured, Cody, the AI trained on your business, is designed with your privacy and data security in mind. Data privacy. We understand the importance of keeping your data confidential. Cody operates with strict privacy protocols to ensure that your sensitive information remains secure. Your data is your asset, and Cody treats it with the utmost respect, adhering to the highest industry standards for data protection. Compliance and ethics. Cody is built with a strong ethical foundation, ensuring compliance with applicable laws and regulations. With Cody, you can have peace of mind, knowing that your AI partner operates responsibly and ethically, safeguarding your business and reputation. Continuous learning and improvement. Cody isn't just an AI that stays the same. It continuously learns from new data and feedback to improve its recommendations and accuracy. With each interaction, Cody becomes smarter, adapting to the changing dynamics of your business and delivering increasingly accurate insights and guidance.